Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Outlook PST has reached maximum size error. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the settings we need to adjust. Once everything has loaded and you can see your inbox, we're ready to move forward with the fix. Now direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see a tab labeled File. Go ahead and click on it to open the File menu. This is where Outlook keeps most of its important settings and configurations, including the ones we need to access to resolve this storage issue. Once the File menu opens, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll notice an option called Account Settings with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this drop-down and you'll see additional options appear. From this list, click on Account Settings again. This will open a new window titled Account Settings, which gives you access to manage various aspects of your Outlook profile. In the Account Settings window, navigate to the Data Files tab at the top. Click on it and you'll see a list of all the PST files that are associated with your Outlook app. These are the files that store all your emails, attachments, and other data. This is where the problem lies, as one of these files has reached its maximum size limit and needs to be compressed to free up space. From the list of PST files displayed, simply select the file that has reached its maximum size. You can usually identify it by its name or by checking its size in the list. Once you've selected it, double-click on it to open its properties. A small window titled Outlook Data File will appear on your screen. This window contains options for managing that specific PST file. In this window, you'll see a button labeled Compact Now. Go ahead and click on it. This action compresses the PST file by removing unnecessary space and optimizing its size. If you've reached the maximum limit, this process will free up some much-needed space and allow you to continue using Outlook without interruptions. The compacting process may take a few moments depending on the size of your file, so just be patient while Outlook works through it. And that's it! You've successfully fixed the PST file size issue and freed up space in your Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.